Good morning, Staley. Today is Thursday, November 11th. Day be in your schedule. I'm Jayden Revis.
And I'm Jackson Phillips. Happy Veterans Day. I want to give a special shout out to everyone in the mentorship program for putting out flags this morning around the school whenever you came in today. Today's birthday wishes go out to Noah Kamako, Mary Groves, Emily Peck, Ariana Stampel, and Ali Vella. Happy birthday, everyone.
Interested in playing Holly Jolly Volley? Teams are made up of at least 6 members, and 2 girls must be on the court at all times. Team uniforms are encouraged but not required, and the entry fee is $5. Team captains will turn in the forms and money to Mrs. Holmes in CR 223 by Wednesday, November 17th at 2:40 p.m.
Are you interested in going to Japan in 2023? There will be a parental informational meeting held on November 17th at 6 p.m. Scan the QR code below for more information.
Good luck to boys swim as they leave today for state.
Of America, and to the republic for which it stands,
That's all we have for you today, Staley. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and visit us online at StaleyNews.com.
Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for daily shows and more.
Have a thrilling Thursday, Falcons.